It's a magical makeup product, and I know I am like exaggerating at this point, but ठीक है, we'll go with this, and you need to have one in your life. Hi guys, my name is Dikshita and welcome to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So today I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll tell you my top 5 makeup products or makeup products that I feel every girl should own. So I wanted to keep this video informative as well as a little fun. So I decided to use those 5 products to create a makeup look, and this is the look that I came up with. Yes, I did this makeup only using 5 products, and I think it turned out so good. I'm like obsessed with how it looks, and yeah, if you like this look and you want to see how I created this using 5 products and want to know my take on top 5 products that every girl should own, then keep on watching this video. Also, I've done a couple of very similar videos and I'll link them in the description bar, and you can check them out after watching this video. I did a video where I did my entire makeup with 3 products. That was like a 3 product makeup challenge. And then I have a beginner friendly makeup tutorial, like a makeup tutorial for beginners कि makeup कैसे करें and everything. तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा informative है, and if you like or if you want to watch it, then the link will be there in the description. You can check it out. So the first thing that you should definitely have is a concealer. So I know there are so many people who do not like to put foundation on a daily basis, and concealer is our best option. So you definitely need a good concealer in your makeup bag. I like to use one from Maybelline Fit Me, and then I've ordered another one from Maybelline only. I'll put the photo है, मुझे अभी याद नहीं आ रहा उसका नाम. So I've ordered it recently, अभी तक आया भी नहीं है. I don't know how it will be, but I'll give you my reviews on it someday in some makeup video hopefully. So yeah, I'll give you a couple of concealer options if you want that I've heard are good and that I've used. So the best thing about concealer is that you can only put it on certain areas, like जो भी आपके target areas that you want to hide. Maybe you don't like, maybe you have a lot of dark circles or कुछ acne marks हैं, so just put it on those particular areas and you're good to go. So here in this video you can see the first product that I'm using on my face is a concealer. इससे पहले obviously मैंने कोई भी makeup product नहीं लगाया है. I've just done my skincare, and now I'm putting on this concealer. You can see I put it in my under eye area, then around my nose, at the corner of my lips, and this huge acne marks wala area that I have. Not like huge, but this acne marks wala area that I have. So yeah, after that you have to take a brush like this and you have to blend it. You can blend this with a brush, with a beauty blender. It's very self-explanatory, it's very easy to do. So you have to just blend it, and voila, here it is. Concealer से as you can see काफी difference already आ गया है. Dark circles hide हो जाते हैं. Now the second makeup product that I want to talk about is a compact or a loose powder. This is basically for setting up your foundation, your concealer, or if you have oily skin, then this is going to be a life-saver product for you. So I like to use this one from Maybelline, and then I have another one from Wet n Wild. ये इसकी contouring palette है, उसी में, and this one is actually very good. As you can see, I've hit the pan on it and I really like using it. I've also ordered the loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me range, and I've heard so many good things about it, and I've heard that it gives you very low coverage too, so that's good. अगर powder थोड़ी सी भी coverage दे दे तो I think daily basis के लिए आपका काम बन जाएगा. Now to use this product, you just have to take it in a fluffy brush and then brush it all over your face, especially on the areas where you've used concealer. आपको उसको अच्छे से लगाना है so that it sets up the concealer और वो crease ना करे, because obviously you're wearing it for a long time and base products थोड़ा creamy होते हैं तो वो crease करने लग जाते हैं, या फिर they'll settle into your fine lines, and then आपको ऐसे lines type बनने लग जाएंगे, especially around this area and your under eye. So यहाँ पे कंसीलर पाउडर को अच्छे से लगा लो, and it stops your base from creasing. Now we'll move on to the third product, and definitely one of my favorite products. This is an eyebrow pencil. I have very sparse eyebrows, and मेरे को तो eyebrow pencil बहुत ज़्यादा important होती है. I basically use it on a daily basis, and I love using it because it just gives me the eyebrows that I dream of. So since I have very light eyebrows, I like to use a light shade to fill my brows. I use this one from Innisfree. I'll mention all the product links in the description bar. One of the biggest mistakes that a lot of people make is not choosing the right shade for their eyebrow pencil. Like, since I have light eyes, I've used a light brown shade. Now if I'll use anywhere between a dark brown or a black shade, I'll look weird. When you have light eyebrows, then definitely use like a light brown or something. Even if you have darker brows, please don't use black eyebrow pencil. Instead of that, go for dark brown. आप ट्राई करके देखना and you'll feel that it makes it look more natural actually. So here you can see me putting on the eyebrow pencil. मैं tutorial आपको काफी makeup tutorials में already दिया हुआ है. So if you want me to do a video specifically on how I fill my brows and everything, then tell me in the comment section. I'll try to make a video like that. So you can see I've done my right eyebrow and oh my god, look at the difference. The difference is so apparent. Oh my god, I cannot get over it. यहाँ पे आपको मेरे expression से ही लग रहा है कि I'm not getting over it anytime soon. Now we'll move on to the fourth product, and I think this is going to be my favorite makeup product because obviously it's a mascara, and mascara makes your eyelashes look so damn good. Mascara is definitely one of the best makeup products and so simple to put it on. इतना easy है, 2 मिनट लगते हैं and completely changes your face. बिल्कुल bright सा कर देता है. Your eyes look so good. So girls, you definitely need a good mascara in your bag or maybe 2. So I'll give you my recommendations. Here you can see आप 2-3 makeup mascara देख सकते हो that I like to use. I especially love mascara from Maybelline and I think मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा Maybelline के ही mascara use करने हैं. And I also have this one from Sugar. So here you can see the obvious difference between the eyelashes before the mascara and after, and it looks so good. So if you don't have a mascara right now, then even if you don't like doing makeup, go to Nykaa and order one for you. So yeah, the fourth product is a mascara, and this is the step 4 of this makeup look that I'm creating. So after you're done with your mascara, it's time to move on to our last product. And again, something that you definitely need in your makeup bag are a couple of lipsticks. Even if you're not into makeup, lipstick और mascara तो ऐसे product है जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब you love using them, तो होने ही चाहिए आपके पास. Now it obviously is a very subjective matter because there are some people who only like using nude lipsticks. Someone can only use a red lipstick और कोई होगा जो कि बहुत bright shades पसंद करता होगा. So this is very subjective, but if you're into nude shades, then this is definitely one of my favorite nude lipsticks ever. It's from Maybelline. It's the nude nuance. And I think मैंने कम से कम 3-4 वीडियो में already mention कर दी है. But it's just so good. I've also heard very good things about a lipstick from PAC. I think it's Retro Matte. I'm not sure. Something in this along these lines. PAC Retro Matte or something. अगर आपने use करी है तो definitely give me its feedback because I'm thinking of ordering it. Also, if you have any favorites or there is a trusty lipstick that you really like, then do tell me in the comment section. I'm always up for recommendations from you guys too. So make sure that you tell me in the comment section अगर आपका कोई particular shade है जो आपको बहुत पसंद है. Then you need some good red lipsticks if you are into that. If you like bright shades तो आप bright pink या फिर orange इस type के shades कर सकते हो. They are very youthful. So yeah, now you've put on lipstick as a lipstick, and wait, the video is not over yet because you need to put your lipstick as a blush. I am the biggest advocate of using your lipstick as a blush क्योंकि एक product से इतने multiple काम हो जाते हैं. I just love it. I love how versatile a lipstick can be. तभी मैं बोल रही हूँ you definitely need to invest in some good lipsticks. And now I'll put this lipstick as my blush because why not? So I really like using blushes and I think कि काफी youthful सा glowy healthy सा look देते हैं वो आपको. But if you don't want to invest in a different makeup product, मतलब आपको एक different blush नहीं खरीदना, so you can totally get away with your lipstick. That's why I've included this step in this video. So here I'm taking this lipstick, I've smudged it at the back of my hand और फिर एक makeup brush use करके I'm applying it all over my cheeks. So now if you don't have a blush, don't worry, you can get that youthful glowy look with a lipstick. और आप देख सकते हो मैंने एक न्यूड लिपस्टिक यूज़ करी है एंड देन ऑल्सो द ब्लश टर्न्ड आउट सो गुड। थोड़ा सा न्यूड ब्लश है, अगर आपके पास कोई पिंक शेड है तो पिंकी ब्लश आ जाएगा, कोई पीच का शेड है तो पीची ब्लश आ जाएगा and you can see where this is going. So yeah, this is the final look that I came up with and I genuinely think that it looks so good. I am not saying it just for the sake of this video. I love using minimum products और मुझे इस टाइप का लुक क्रिएट करना बहुत पसंद है यूजिंग these 5 products. लिपस्टिक चेंज कर लो और आपका लुक डिफरेंट हो जाता है। Although I love doing my full face of makeup और एक्सपेरिमेंट करना आई शेडो के साथ कुछ डिफरेंट से लुक्स क्रिएट करना, बट देयर आर डेज व्हेन आई डोंट वांट टू पुट ऑन सो मच मेकअप इवन फॉर शूटिंग और मुझे ऐसा होता है कि थोड़ा कम मेकअप से ही काम चल जाए एंड दैट टाइम आई यूज लुक लाइक दिस। मे बी आई हैड अ हाईलाइटर और समथिंग but this is definitely a go-to look and I'm pretty sure even you like it। अगर आप कॉलेज जाते हो, आप ऑफिस जाते हो for your everyday life, isn't this like a perfect look? कितना नो फर्स वाला लुक है, बिल्कुल लो मेंटेनेंस और 2 मिनट में हो जाएगा। If you try this look then do send me your pictures या फिर टैग करना मुझे इंस्टाग्राम में। This is my handle right here and go follow me on Instagram. Make sure you have subscribed and I hope you like this video. If you like it then give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also tell me in the comments what are your top 5 makeup products and how did you like my look today and how did this makeup look turned out. So tell me everything in the comment section. बिना comment किए मत जाना and obviously बिना subscribe किए बिल्कुल मत जाना। Also share my channel with all your friends ना, थोड़ा सा share करो ताकि more people get to know about it. And yeah, now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay indoors. Bye.